So hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how you can change your domain name in your Wix website. So to do that for free, okay, so when we will publish this, as you can see, we are publishing here. So we can visit here. So our domain name is coming like this. We were like here, my website one. So to change this, you have to go to your dashboard and just come at last, go to settings, and we have to go to our website settings. Then in here you can see we can change it. So to change, you have to just click here, like I'm writing here, to sample. Okay, I'm writing here sample, and just you can do save. So that's another technical error. So here's a technical error from the Vixen. So you can change later, or you can do from here also. You can just to change. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe, and share the video. And thank you for watching.